Before we start, don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel to keep you posted. This Marine base waited 15 years for their first F-35B. The first F-35B Lightning II short takeoff and vertical landing aircraft has arrived at U.S. Marine Corps Air Station Cherry Point. This week, the fifth-generation aircraft arrived for deployment. To commemorate the arrival of the first two aircraft, the Airbase's administration staged a special celebration. In the future, 6 squadrons of F-35B Lightning II fifth-generation aircraft will be deployed at Cherry Point. The aircraft is equipped with a set of sensors to provide a high degree of situational awareness in battle space. The statement was delivered by Colonel J.T. Bardo. He also dubbed the F-35B the most sophisticated fighter in U.S. Marine Corps service. The F-35B will replace the Harrier, which has been stationed at Cherry Point for over 50 years. Colonel Brendan Burks stated that they must wait for 15 years to get hold of this advanced fighter. He stated that the jets will strengthen East Coast aviation and bring a $2.19 billion boost to the region's economy. The U.S. Department of Defense and Lockheed Martin are slated to deliver 65th-generation warplanes to the Cherry Point facility. Colonel Brendan Burks, on the other hand, has not ruled out the possibility of increasing the number of F-35Bs to 96. Cherry Point is one of the largest Marine Corps air installations in the U.S., spanning over 16,000 acres, 6,475 hectares. The 2nd Marine Aircraft Wing and the Navy's Fleet Readiness Center East are located here, making it the largest industrial employer in eastern North Carolina. What do you think of the 15 years waiting period for the F-35 to be deployed in a Marine station? Write your comment below. This ends our video. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.